Hello. In this video, you will learn how to use your Aeon account to request reference scans of archival materials in the Hoover Institution Library and Archives collections. Please note that staff at the Hoover Library and Archives are able to do up to 250 pages of reference scanning per year for each researcher. When you know which collection you are interested in, go to the Online Archive of California, being sure that you go to the page for the Hoover Institution. First, search for the collection you are interested in by using the search box, or browse by last name from A to Z. For example, Sir Paul Duke's papers. On the results page, click on the link of the collection you want to see. On this page, you can see the collection overview. To see the full guide to the collection, click the Collection Contents link from the right-hand side of the page, or choose the HTML link under View Entire Collection Guide. Be sure you have reviewed the finding aid and know what material you are interested in before proceeding to the next step. Click on the gray Request Items button. This will take you to another page where you will have to sign into your Aeon account if you have not already done so. You will have 10 minutes to complete your request before Aeon times out. The finding aid for the collection will load on this page. Please select the checkboxes for the items you'd like to request. Please note, we prioritize the order of your selection. For example, if you click box 5 before box 3, we will prioritize box 5. Some finding aids may be very long. You can use a shortcut to run searches by typing on the keyboard Control F buttons for PCs or Command F buttons for Macs. If you request material from different collections, we will complete the request in the order they were submitted. This is important because we stop scanning after we reach our 250-page limit. Scroll down to the Request Information section. You can fill out additional information, My Notes, and Researchers tags. Here you will see two options. Please choose Duplication Order. Under Duplication Details, please ignore the pricing listed. Please fill out the description of items to be reproduced, item type book/serial/paper document, duplication format as low resolution copy digital file. When you are ready, read the statement and check on the box that you agree to abide by the conditions here. Click Submit Request when you are ready. These requests are filled in the order they are received. We have a large number of requests in our queue. If you have a tight deadline, please contact us at hoover-library-archives@stanford.edu. Thanks for watching.